is going on this sunny Tuesday? Haven't seen you guys since Sunday. Well, we're masking up fenders, so a little V-dub, and we're taking them over to the paint booth. Gonna get the fenders over there today, the hood and the deck lid, because tomorrow night we're doing some painting. And what we did here on Monday, actually, and you can just see I'm pulling the masking paper off, there's a piece left there. There was some rust that was going on where the body sits down. So you can tell that's a little dirty. We got to wash and clean all this off now, but we brought her in the shop, stripped her all down, and repainted all this. And if you're out there watching, Jason, we never thought about it when you were over. Remember how you saw the rust here? Well, it was rusted here too a little bit, so we took care of all that. So I'm just dragging out the rubber seals that go on, getting those kind of laid out. It's a sunny day. I'm going to lay them out for a bit. Like I say, this all paint up this afternoon, get all them rubber seals put on, but right now I'm going to get all this cleaned up, tidied up so it looks good again, and then I'll run the parts to the paint booth. Then when I get back, we'll start gluing down some rubber seals there. Okay, and we'll check out and see what else is going on in the shop here too. Give me a half a sec. Okay, getting the shop over here. Sean's working away on the crew cab. So what he's doing here is he's getting all the body work done. He hasn't touched the roof of it. So he's working from below the roof down, inside and outside, to get that in first primer. Because it's a big vehicle. And also, you can see it's sitting on this cart. So it's fairly high in the air. So once he gets all this done and primered, we got to drop it down lower for him. Then he can reach the top of it. Because that's a huge, massive roof if you look at that. And he's going to be up there minimum 3, probably maximum 5 days. Because I know from here it looks okay, but trust me, it is not straight. Something with these crew cabs, the roofs are always caved in. But he's getting very close to putting first primer on most of it. And come over into this bay. Mike's working away on the Scout. We got our braces in. Here's our trunk pan braces that we got for the 72 Buick here. Those have to go in place before you can put the trunk floor itself in. So we were waiting on those, and they finally came in. So now we can get back onto this Buick, which, remember, this is going to be a race car. I believe the gentleman, I can't remember exactly what the engine was. I'll have to listen carefully next time. But it's got 700 horse. So he's just making a car you can drive on the street and take out to the track on Friday nights and have some fun. So let's get this radio turned down here for a minute. Rocking out in here this morning a bit. Okay. And Mike's rebuilt all the floor on the passenger side. Did it all up in here. He's rebuilt the whole mount underneath. It was just all gone. This gentleman, again, he's just doing a nice clean up, tidy up, nothing fancy, not building a show vehicle. This is not going to be one of these jobs where we're going to primer block. We're not going to be into that. We're just going to get it fairly straight, looking decent, nice presentable truck. That is what's happening there. All right. And of course, like I said, I'm working on the VW frame out there, getting all the rubbers and seals put on it. So, and then whatever else I can find. Crew cab, I'm still cleaning and polishing, yes, chrome bits for little parts for that thing, and clean up all the window regulators. I've almost got everything done that came off that truck. Is almost in that little room shed where I keep all the parts cleaned and painted and ready to go. So when that truck does when the truck comes time to go together, it is completely ready to go together. We're not fucking around with shit. But what I got to do today too is I got to work on the 54 Ford a bit. A couple little things I got to straighten up on that, and hopefully soon we're going to get started on the bodywork on that car. Probably, we're almost April, so I want to get going here by the 1st of April, which I think is probably tomorrow or Friday, get going on that, and get that car finished up by the end of May. That's the game plan, because all that's really left on that car is the body. I got to put a set of horns on it, set the lowering blocks, put the lowering blocks back in it, and door locks, and I'm still looking for a door latch striker. Can't buy it new for this car, so I'm gonna have to go on eBay and see if I can find a used one, but that's about it. So anyway, that's all that's happening here today, guys. Not much of a video, again, but it still keeps you in tune what we're doing. And remember, it's always good time at old time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you later in the week.